What if I told you the reason most people fail
Isn't because they're lazy, but because they're doing it wrong? 92%. That's the percentage of people who set goals and don't achieve them. That means only 8 out of every 100 people actually follow through. So here's the question. What separates the 8% from everyone else? Is it discipline?
talent, motivation?
Nope, it's strategy and psychology.
Let me explain. We've been lied to.
From a young age, we're told to set big goals and dream big.
Sounds great, right? Except big goals without a roadmap are just daydreams.
And the brain, it's not wired for vague ambition.
It's wired for survival.
That's the first problem. Your brain doesn't care about your six-pack. It cares about conserving energy. It doesn't care about your startup idea. It cares about certainty, comfort, predictability. So the moment you step outside your comfort zone, your brain resists.
It floods you with doubt,
Distraction, procrastination, and if you don't understand that, it wins.
Let's go deeper. There is a part of your brain called the basal ganglia. It is responsible for habits. Once a habit is formed, it gets stored there, like a loop,
Which means you don't break habits.
you replace them. That's why willpower doesn't work.
You can't just try harder. You have to rewire the loop. And the only way to do that? Micro goals. Let's say your goal is to run a marathon. Wrong approach. Run 26 miles. Right approach. Put on shoes.
Step outside.
Run for 5 minutes.
Because here's what science shows us. Small wins release dopamine, the brain's motivation chemical.
That hit of progress,
It's addictive.
it fuels momentum. That's why the 8% win.
They don't just focus on the goal. They focus on building the system.
Let's talk about the psychology of identity. Most people try to change their actions without changing their identity. They say, I want to quit smoking, but they still see themselves as a smoker trying to quit. The 8%, they say, are not a smoker. That's identity shift. It's the difference between trying to be healthy.
And being a healthy person who acts accordingly.
Here's how to make that shift. Decide who you want to become.
Act as if you already are. Repeat until your brain believes it.
Sounds simple, but it's not easy. Because here's the truth most people never hear. Success is boring. It's not loud. It's not dramatic.
It's not a viral transformation montage. It's repetition.
Daily. Silent. Unseen.
Let's talk fear. Fear of failure. Fear of judgment.
Fear of not being enough. Guess what?
The 8% feel it too. But they act anyway. Why? Because they understand this one truth. You don't rise to the level of your goals.
You fall to the level of your systems. If your system is scrolling at midnight, snoozing your alarm, and making excuses,
No goal survives that. The 8% design their environment to win. They put the gym clothes by the door.
they delete the app that steals their time.
They surround themselves with people who challenge them.
Success isn't about working harder. It's about removing friction.
Let's break down why smart goals alone don't work. You've heard it. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound. That's great on paper. But real life isn't a spreadsheet. The 8% go beyond smart. They add one more letter. The emotional.
If your goal doesn't light a fire in your gut,
You'll quit the moment it gets hard.
emotion drives commitment. It has to matter
Not to your coach, not to your parents.
to you. So ask yourself, why does this matter to me? Then ask again and again until the answer hurts. Let's flip the script. Maybe you failed before, maybe more than once.
But here's something powerful. Failure is data. It's feedback.
It's not who you are.
It's just what happened. The 8% don't fear failure. They expect it.
They learn.
Adjust. Reattempt. Because persistence isn't repeating the same mistake, it's evolving the method.
You don't need more motivation.
You need a strategy that makes failure part of the process, not the end of it.
Final thought. You are one system away from being in the 8%.
Not perfect.
Not fearless, just consistent. So here's what you do next. Choose one goal. Break it into the smallest possible action.
Do it today, not tomorrow.
Track your wins, even if they're tiny.
Speak to yourself like someone you want to believe, because in the end, success isn't magic.
It's math,
Habits,
systems,
identity, and 92% of people never figure that out.
but you just did. So if this helped you know what to do, hit that like button.
Subscribe for more no-fluff psychology and life-changing strategies. And remember, you are not behind.
You are just getting started. Let's make you part of the 8%.